eh.
You had such a beautiful moment sa concert. Nakita kayo na nag-trending. How was that moment?
You know, the thing is, she came as a surprise during the last rehearsal, the night before the show. She came to MOA Arena. And it was the first time I saw her since my birthday in January.
Wow.
From January 6, October 26 ko siya nakita. Sabi ko, buti na lang. Kasi when I was just like that on stage, waiting for the next song to be rehearsed, biglang, Mama, pagtingin ko, she was coming up to say, gumanon lang talaga ako. Na-post ko yun sa Instagram eh. Ang haba pa noon, pinutol na lang nila. Alam mo, ano't ano man ang daanan ng mag-ina, ang nanay talaga, kahit anong gawin mo, hindi matitiis ang anak. Talagang ipaglalaban ng anak. Mamamatay ka for your child. Parang pag nakita mo, nalimot mo na lahat. Lahat ng tampo, lahat ng... In the end, alam mo, none of it will matter. In the end. And you will regret all the time that you wasted. Not seeing each other because you had certain issues, certain na hindi na-resolve. It's a process. But she's a full-grown adult and she's a smart girl, so she has a life of her own. Iba yung dynamic sa anak kong panganay dito sa mga... sa tatlong mas bata. So, sa akin... everything. Wala akong nakita, wala akong naalala, walang importante sa akin at that moment, kundi yung nandun.
Over dinner
She
na,
was
Mom.
scared.
Okay,
She was scared. And then, lahat kami parang, syempre yung una, nakakagulat eh. Parang, you? Kasi si Yeling baby eh. Baby peanut ko yun. So, after a while, parang, okay anak, whatever makes you happy. So, I support her fully. Walang iniba. Kasi parang feeling ko, I mean, who am I don't think anybody's in a position to judge. I grew up around gay people, lesbians. You know, my mommy took care of tomboys and gay people na I grew up na sila yung laging katulong ni mom. Friendship-wise, I have a lot of friends who are gay and lesbian who are actually some of the most decent and most loyal and most upright people that I have known.
Ako, same thing, diba? Regardless, it doesn't matter what community, etc. Girl, boy, bakla, tomboy, LGBTQIA. Ang pinaka-importante lang is I just hope and pray na my child will be a blessing to other people.
Exactly. Basta matino ang pagkatao ng anak mo.
Regardless kung saan niya mahanap ang puso niya. Basta pag nag-usapan siya, ayan si Peanut, blessing sa mga tao.
Yan. Kasi nakakaawa, di ba, Luis, yung mga tinatatwa ng magulang dahil nag-come out as gay or lesbian. Parang biglang tinatakwil. Naaawa ako sa kanila kasi parang anak nyo yan eh. Parang it doesn't mean may ginawa kayong mali. It's just not the norm. Siguro noon, hindi pinag-uusapan na ganito ka-open. Pero marami na noon pa. Eh ngayon na pwede. Bigyan nyo ng support yung anak nyo. Maganda yung nakakatulong, marunong magmahal, marunong makipagkapwa-tao. Yun ang importante.
I mean, the fact na nasabi mo yan, it shows, you know, kung paano kayo bilang magulang. And, you know, Miel, kulang na lang tumama sa loto. Because she's so lucky na ganun kainit, ganun kadali yung pagtanggap ninyo. Mami Mega, sa lahat ng mga accolades mo, lahat-lahat, ano pa bang gustong marating ng isang megastar? Meron pa ba to begin with?
Alam mo, I'm very grateful for all my blessings. Your mama nga, I sent her a birthday message and she answered me. And I was so touched. Sabi niya, you know, Shawi, you're also so blessed and all. And it's true. I'm very grateful for everything I've been blessed with. Pero you know what's funny? Lord, huwag kayong magagalit sa akin. Nakikwento ko lang. Isa lang yung dinasal ko na lahat pinigay sa akin, pwera yun. Kasi, nung bata ako, gusto ko lang, mag-aasawa ako, magkakaanak, kasi alagaan ko na rin ang asawa at mga anak ko. And then, I got married the first time. Obviously, it failed. And it's still a struggle, you know, to keep the second marriage going. Always a struggle. Magkaiba ang direksyon namin eh. He's a politician, and you know, I hate politics. Magkaiba kami, but we managed to make it work. Well, number one, because we love our kids, and we're both respectable people. Meron na parehong matinong tao, parehong mabait, parehong disente, na hindi nakikita ng tao yung nangyayari inside the bedroom or inside their house pag sila na lang. So, wala na sila doon. So, dalawang matinong tao na hindi lang magkasundo. So, kailangan maghiwalay. Kasi isa lang ang buhay eh.
Mas masarap pag-usapan kasi kung may isang masama, isang maganda. Mas
Oo.
masarap ikwento.
Oo, pero hindi. So, it's...
Kung di ako nagkakamali, naghiwalay ang mami at daddy ko nung nakita na ako, yung itsura ko.
Parang nagsisi sila.
Parang bahala na to.
Ito na yung pagkakamali
Alam mo,
natin.
Mang Mega, totoo umiyak
Ang
si
sama
mami.
mo naman!
Totoo umiyak si mami nung nakita niya ako.
Nabalitaan ko. Ako si Casey, nung pinatong sa akin dito, tinignan ko, sabi ko, bakit gray yung kulay ng anak ko na parang kulubot na kulubot? Eh, syempre kalalabas
Oo.
na. Hindi ko naisip, 19 lang ako
Oo.
first place. Ba't ganito itsura? Eh, maganda naman kaming dalawa. The next day, Diyos ko, napaka-perfect
Pag
na.
lumalabas, nag-fill up na yung mukha.
Nag-perfect ka naman nung ano na, the following days.
It's been 40 years, hindi pa ha?
Oh, Luis, you're very handsome. You're very appealing. You got the best features of your daddy and mommy.
Sharon, ano
I have to
ba?
say that. Hindi, totoo. No. I have dream daughters and dream sons aside from my own.
Of
Okay?
course.
Hindi ibig sabihin may dream daughter ako, may dream son ako, eh hindi ako natutuwa sa mga anak